Probably you are wondering what the hell is these people doing? And what is it, the relation with some flowers? Well, flowers have lots of meaning, and for me, flowers can definitely brighten somebody's heart. So we are a married couple of 8 years, and here is my husband giving me beautiful flowers. And today I want to show you how you can make beautiful, realistic flowers in a very simple way.
This is where magic is going to start. Let's do it. The rose that we are gonna make today, it's gonna be yellow. So we have here 5 petals, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and well, we are gonna color it so that it can look more real. The color of the pastels, it depends on you. I'm just using this orange, burnt orange, and then we're gonna follow with another colors. But you can create incredible roses just by coloring with different tones. Now I'm just using this cotton swab to blend the colors, and as you can see, it looks really nice. We're gonna do the same thing at the back of the petals. And I'm gonna use this metallic yellow pen for the final touches. We have almost done here, but look at the rose. We started from a simple plain golden yellow petal, and now we have a beautiful orange with different yellow tones in the petals, so it looks more real. Now let's finish the rose. And here we have it. And you can use a sealer. With time, the color of the roses can be a little bit discolored, and also they can get a little bit dusty over the time. So if you use the sealer, it will protect the rose or any craft that you are doing with paper, and it will last more time. You can use any color as you wish. So for example, here I want to show you some of the flowers that I've been doing. I have been using yellow tones, red roses, blue roses, and they all look beautiful. I hope you like it, and I hope that you make your own beautiful rose. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye!